So as you build a larger library of galleries in your account, you might find that you'd like to present those galleries to your customers in different groupings or collections. And we can do that using something called categories. So let's make a start. We'll move over to the library tab here and now to the gallery categories page. Here we have a category that I just created earlier. It's called My Work, and you can see we already have 3 galleries assigned to that category. If we move to the top right and hit the Add Gallery Category button, then we can start creating our own new category. I'm going to call this one the Clients category, and I'm going to set a password. I'm going to keep it fairly simple and hit Save. There are more settings there you can obviously explore later, but we're going to keep things fairly simple to begin with. So that has created my new category. It's currently empty, and you can see over here on the right we have a table of uncategorized galleries. So these are galleries in my library that haven't yet been assigned to a category, and I can grab these, click and drag them into my new category, and that will sort that out for us. So note now that we no longer have any uncategorized galleries. They've all been assigned to one or the other of these categories. The next thing I'm going to do is to set a cover image by clicking on this blank box here, and here I've got access to both galleries I just added, and I can choose any image. I'm going to take that first one, and that will set the cover image for that whole category. So just one more job to do before we go away and check the live website. If we move now to the website section and hit the pages link, we're going to look now at editing the portfolio page, so click on that. And the second field here is what we want to pay attention to now, portfolio style. By default, this is obviously set to gallery based. We want to change that now to a category based portfolio. And that means that the portfolio link on your live website will now take customers to a list of categories rather than a list of galleries. So we're going to move down to the bottom right here and hit the save button. And that has refreshed. Let's go and hit the view site button to launch our live website and check out the changes. So from my homepage, I now hit the portfolio link, and you can see we have our list of newly created categories: Clients, which is password protected, and My Work, which is just a general collection of portfolio work. Now you can see on the right here we have a box titled Uncategorized. If I had any leftover galleries that hadn't been assigned to a category as yet, then those galleries would appear here. Of course, I've already allocated all of my galleries to the categories as I wanted, and I don't really want this box appearing on my live site. So let's move back to the interface and we'll have a look at how to remove that. We're still on the edit page for our portfolio, and if we scroll down the page underneath the portfolio settings heading, we'll find here a field called Show Uncategorized Gallery Categories. We want to change that from yes to no, and then we're going to scroll to the very bottom right of the whole page and hit the save button. And that will confirm it's updated for us. We can switch back to the live site once more and refresh that page, and we'll see that that unwanted box has cleared off. So we now just have the My Work category with my galleries inside of that, and we have the Clients category that I set up, which also has 2 galleries inside. So that's setting up your site as a category-based portfolio rather than a gallery-based portfolio. Have a go at that, and I'll see you in the next lesson.